Alright, y'all. We got Jesse James. Let's see who he versus. Hey, hey. Whoa. 10-4. That's major. 10-4 finna race. That's major. Who is locked down? That's major. That's who they racing right here, locked down. Here we go.
Are you watching over here?
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.